You said you can't feel your fingers?
My Santa Claus have the same beard.
That's true. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't going under there. I want to do that again. Guys, you ready? I'm ready to leave. I'm ready to go too. I've been a good kid this year. What do I want for Christmas? What are you writing about? Oh, okay. Look at how I'm holding my pencil.
How do you spell K5? Like that?
Wait.
K5 like that?
K5 pink exterior. I want gym clothes. Yeah. Alright. World peace. I'm done.
So funny, bro.
No.
Gym clothes, pink and sparkly stuff, and world peace. Although you said I have enough gym clothes. Alright, where I put it? Now we're gonna ship this off to Santa. Okay, show them fit.
Look, alcohol.
Huh?
Alcohol.
Show them the fit. My turn.
That's not fair. You got music to vibe with and I didn't.
That is stop. You want to show the fit? Her. Okay. Am I still okay? Are you done? Or is she done?
You look pretty.
Great dance contest. However you please.
That's very open for me.
Yeah.
Oh.
You just gotta. I got sprinkles in here. All right. How do I even? I'm so scared. I feel like I won't get this right. I need like a piping bag thing.
No, for what is this? I thought I would have more candy or something. I thought I would have options.
Aww. I did it.
So you can choose the The candy's right there.
No.
Combine them.
Yeah.
This is not a lot of frosting, though.
Mind you, I tried to put the same amount both of these.
Okay, let's see who can make the best one
Okay.
from what we got. It's coming.
He's a gingerbread boy. Oh! Hi! I got scared. Okay. Yes. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, he's so cute. Aw.
Do you like it? Yeah. You gotta see it with your twin. Oh, I'm gonna make a bow. I'll make a bow just like you.
Sasha. Sasha, no. Sasha.
He said, I'm gonna switch up. He got me good, I came out.
He did.
You
Mine.
guys like it?
Oh, that is terrifying.
Wait. That's actually terrifying. That's terrifying.
Got a big white smile.
Actually, yours is looking cute so far.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think you're trying too hard. You need hats and stuff. I'm just piping it out the bag.
Yeah, I mean, that's why yours looks scary.
You got for your man for Christmas, and there he is. Gingerbread
Yes,
man.
you asked for a man for Christmas.
No,
You got the
not this one.
You got the gingerbread man.
I wish I had pink sparkles.
I wish I had gumdrops. Okay, this is my gingerbread man so far. My gingerbread boy. That's 2. Now we're just gonna sprinkle some sprinkles. I'm missing.
She's trying to copy my technique. But nothing's gonna beat this.
Yeah. Okay, this is my finished gingerbread boy. Oh, something yours is so cute. I should have done what you did.
Okay, I think I put.
boyfriend, that's what it is. You gotta get the money.
I think I'm gonna put Christmas trees on the bow. What type of Christmas tree is this? You can stay in here as long as you want.
30
minutes probably.
I have such a cute idea. Oh my god.
What's your cute idea?
I'm gonna make a heart with 2.
Oh, that is so cute.
I don't know where to put it. I'm probably gonna put it right here. Something like that. Anyways.
Most inventive icing. Yes.
That's
very
actually
creative.
perfect.
Very creative.
Yeah.
I think Sprinkle Surprise suits yours well.
Yes.
Aw.
Thank you.
I think since he's right here, he'll have to help me award.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh.
This one right here might be Nutmeg's new bestie.
Nutmeg's new bestie.
I think they get along just swimmingly.
Oh.
Thank
you.
Good job, everyone.
Thank
I
you.
Nutmeg, warm yourself up by the oven.
Bye,
It gets
Nutmeg.
so chilly in here, he doesn't want to get too crispy.
Yes, of course.
Oh, we'll have the best day.
Thank
right
you
here.
too.
Thank you for helping us fill the cookie cutter.
You're welcome.
Sweet beer.